1.0-ton mini excavator. Ace mini excavator. With unique product appearance design. Intuitive instrument display like a car. Reinforced chassis welded. Become to our top sales product including during 2018 to 2019 year. We mainly produce 4 models, 1.0 ton, 1.2 ton, 1.6 ton, and 2.0 tons. It can work with different accessories like bucket, auger, rake, ripper, wood grab, broken hammer, etc. Often used for small works, small projects, in garden, orchard, farmland, vegetable greenhouse, digging trench, and municipal works.